Tell us your name.
My name is Gabriel.
Okay, and I know this is a silly question, but are you natural, relaxed, or transitioning?
Natural.
Okay, and you've been natural your whole life?
Yes.
Okay, so you never wanted to try a perm or anything like that?
When did I try a texturizer? I tried growing my hair in middle school, and I was tender-headed then. It was nappy, and my mom was like, "Well, let's try a texturizer." So I tried one, but then I cut my hair after that.
Okay.
This is the first time I actually grown my hair as an adult. So.
Okay, so lessons learned.
Yeah.
All right, no texturizers for us. Okay, and how do you normally wear your hair?
Normally in a fro, I'll do twists or cornrows, plaits. That's normally how I do it. Sometimes after I've worn the twist for a while, I will leave it crinkled after I take the twist out, yeah.
Okay, and you normally twist your hair?
No.
Okay.
Normally it's either my homegirl will do it, or either the barbershop that I go to, they have women in there that do hair as well.
Okay, nice. So have you tried Miche products before?
Yes. One of my friends from undergrad actually put me onto the products, and I've been on them ever since.
Do you feel like you have any hair challenges?
Definitely, I have a lot of shrinkage, so it tangles. After watching Miche Mondays, I know I probably need a trim. So, yeah. The tangling, other than that, I don't think so.
Okay, so other than that, you're blessed.
Yeah.
Got it, okay. We are excited to have you here, and we can't wait to get started.
Yeah, I'm happy to be here.
I'm
Michelle.
And I'm Jonathan, and we are the co-owners and founders of Miche Beauty.
This is Miche Monday. It's our weekly hair segment where we show you guys how to properly take care of your hair, get the healthiest hair, get the most hydrated hair using Miche Beauty products. And of course, we do this on different hair types. Today we have a very exciting model with us today.
Yeah.
How are you guys doing? I'm Tiffany, owner of Beware Cosmetology in Bowie, Maryland. My Instagram handle is b_wear_cosmetology.
Yes.
And on Facebook, it's b_wear cosmetology.
Now with Quenched, that's our sulfate-free shampoo. It is a great shampoo for not only just getting the hair good and clean, but it won't leave the hair stripped. So let's talk about this. If you're shampooing at home and you have dense hair like Gabe, what would you suggest?
You definitely want to separate it like this. You know, go from each side to side, front and to the back. You know, just so you can make sure that you're really getting your scalp cleansed. A lot of time, you know, people with dense hair, it kind of gathers up at the scalp. So you want to open it up and make sure you're really getting a good clean. So when I detangle, I take the section, I go through just a lot, not directly at the root, but a little bit off the root and just kind of see, okay, where are the tangles getting caught? Wherever that is, I will hold the hair there and then start at the end, pull through. It's really you have to take your time.
Yeah.
That's just it. You gotta take your time. You can go back to the top. You'll notice that the tangles have moved down some, so you can start to gather it again. See where you stop at the next point. Then you pull your hands down further. Start detangling at the ends, you know, get that cleared up, and just repeat. And then you'll see as you do that, you'll start to be able to just pull through. You wanna make sure that you repeat the process until you can just pull right through.
Okay. And also using, like you said, a slippery conditioner is very helpful. And for me, I like to also add more water because water really just helps to get things moving along. So those are really great tips. And working in smaller sections.
Right. So what I'm gonna do now is just section his hair. We're gonna do a middle part. And so I'm just gonna get my sections. I like to work in sections. So I'm gonna detangle them and it just helps me move along faster.